Oh, that thing is flying.
It's moving.
That is flying.
You recording it?
Yep, I'm recording it. Oh,
What
God.
kind is it?
Oh, looks like BNSF. Oh, God.
CSX.
No, CSX.
Good.
Yep. It's loud. It's loud. I can't deal with that. That's loud. I hate this. There's tankers. One thing I'm afraid of trains is that a hopper car in a was that a gun? It's loud. I can't deal with it. It's too loud. Yeah, it's too loud. Mom, why is it so? What? What the? Oh. Why? Oh, Mama, look, there's 2 trains. Oh, no. Oh. And then here comes another engine. Why is it so long? I'm gonna start getting done because I hate the clacking, so I'm just gonna video it without any noise. So sorry. Well, I'm not sorry. But it's so long. Why is it so long? Why? I've never saw those taking cars with that on it. Have you, Mama? Have you? Oh. It's been a long time since I saw one of these trains. Has it? Jeez, there's rusted and black and gondolas. Is that the right name? I forgot all the carts. Where's the end? Can you see? I'm gonna look. Yep, it's coming up. It's coming up. What is a real box? Bye-bye.